Alright, guys. 3 steaks. Cut them up already. Oh, this is so much easier. We're gonna have steak.
You already said that.
Potatoes. Oh my god. And eggs.
We have duck eggs. What's duck eggs?
Oh, Ron's here. No one's here.
Noah!
Not my mom.
Noah!
That's not my
How
mom.
are you doing, man?
Alright,
Man. We're making you lunch.
Me?
Or people.
What is that?
Steak.
Yeah, you know, I'm not a big steak guy.
Are you kidding me?
I have no idea.
Have you ever had steak before?
I don't think so.
How can you live for 16 years and not have steak?
I just like live my life without eating a steak. No.
Alright.
You guys?
Add 2 cups of boiling water to a heat-resistant serving.
No.
What?
Put that down now.
Why?
Now.
Why?
3.
You don't trust
2.
me. I'm the one with the knife.
Go get an apron.
Where?
Mason.
Where do you
go?
go?
Follow him. Outside.
No, it's outside. Stop. 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 No. Ow.
Alright.
It's in the fridge.
Add 2 cups of... Dude, you're fat. Get out of there.
Uh-huh.
There you go. We cut the fat off. It's just water.
It's, you know.
Condensation.
Alright. It's... Ew! Alright, I need 4 cups of water. 2.
One.
No, 2.
That's 1 cup, bro.
Yeah, can I eat this?
No.
Why?
You'll eat it
Fat,
eventually,
bro.
but not right now.
I wanted to do that.
You were gonna use a knife.
Yeah, and what's the difference?
You don't use a knife
Why?
because you do this.
What's this? What's this? Smells bad.
It's a clove of garlic.
Clove. What are you? Gordon Ramsay?
Nope, it's just what it's called actually.
Is this still recording?
Yes.
Can I take a bite? Can I have a nibble?
I look like a Japanese
You have a
dude.
clove of garlic.
Huh?
Yeah.
Do you
So-
are you using this?
We're gonna cook the steak. Now. Is there multiple pans?
Why is it so stiff? Why is it stiff?
It's just how garlic is. You can use a griddle too. This is a griddle.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, but the only problem is I can't base on a griddle.
Oh right.
Like gritty?
Gritty? Yes, like gritty.
Is that... Take it.
No!
Oh, that, you're
God.
taking that.
Yes. God.
You fucking
Is there any more?
nasty.
Is this? Do we need new sticks?
Do you have some
Or is there used already? Oh shit, there is.
Mouth.
Nice. You put this one back.
Do you need it?
No,
Fridge.
this would be enough. You know I have a
What's
banana?
this?
A banana?
Bandana.
If I have one.
Bandana.
Yes.
I saw a blue one.
What is this?
Oh, dear. Hold on.
What is this?
There, you should have this one.
No,
Except
I
it's
want-
Japanese.
No.
Too bad.
What? What?
It means number 1 in Japanese.
I'm number 1, baby.
There you go. No. Really?
It's warm.
Yeah, but it's on my head.
What? Shut.
Sear it up, Derek. Yeah.
We're gonna do that. What do we do now?
I'm gonna get a different
there a Tom?
Excuse me.
What do we do now?
Excuse me.
Oh! No, me first.
Oh, sweet.
No,
you're not allowed to. You're
Yes,
not.
yes.
3, 2,
I will
1, up your butt.
No, he's touching me!
Give it to me.
Why did you do that?
First, we need to sear it.
I have a knife again.
Put it down.
I have 2 now.
Give me that now.
No,
Give me the bigger one.
I'm gonna.
Just give me one, dude. I need to crack these garlic. Give it now. Give it to I need to crack it.
Here, just take it. Which point do I put my hand on top?
No.
What? Oh, I can do that. Come on. This is my new pointy thingy.
No, we don't need to cut those.
Why?
Stop. This is your little circle.
I want my circle to be here.
Right there.
No,
Where?
right here.
Okay, stay right there.
Okay.
With your knife.
Okay.
Right there.
Ooh, cheese grater.
God.
I want a grater.
Why did we invite you to cook?
So fat.
No, I'm not.
No, you're not. Oh shit, I forgot that was boiling water. You guys want to see a cool trick?
What? Oh.
If you do this, feel it, that means raw.
And it's almost like you do this for a living.
Racist.
Jeffrey Dahmer. Ooh, I want to do that. Oh. Oh.
It's in the this.
Advantage to the shadow realm.
Whoopsies.
Look at that. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm looking at it.
You make fire. Ah! Actually, I think I'm doing this wrong, but it's alright.
That tastes good. Actually tastes like salt. I just got a whole ton of salt.
You're fat, bro.
What are these tasting?
What are these taste like?
I need water.
Just tuck your legs to get one hand. Good thing we don't have a fire alarm in here.
I definitely fucked this up, but I look cool doing it. Alright, boys and girls.
I know they're winning.
I love dying at Christmas tree.
No.
That's wood. You start fire.
That's how you create boiled water.
You set a hot thing on wood. Are you trying to burn down the forest?
Mashed taters.
Use water hot?
No, you want a job?
What?
Pour these two in there.
Okay.
Don't miss.
How do I open these?
Good job, Noah. Now put in the second one.
Wait, where are the mashed potatoes though? This is not real. No! Yeah!
Just take this so you stir it.
Ooh.
It's hot.
Just use this.
What? No. My mom didn't raise no bitch.
I am 60% sure this is raw.
I thought you did this for like.
It doesn't look raw, but I'm 60% this is raw.
Cut it open. Dissect it.
Alright, let's see if it's raw or not.
Am I doing this? I thought you were supposed to use actual potatoes.
Move your left hand after you cut it so the camera can see.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh!
Is that good?
I did it!
Is that good?
I did it!
Is it good? Okay, just do.
Is that good? Is that good?
Are we gonna come out?
Is that good? Is that good?
Yes, you can come out.
Is that good? Look at my steak. Look at my steak.
Oh wow. Good job.
I know.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Is that good?
Hi,
I
Bella.
think it's somewhat raw.
No, it's supposed to be.
Yeah, you're not a man, dude.
You're supposed to like it like halfway raw.
Get back to work and keep stirring. We're adding cheese.
No! Literally don't.
Why?
Because it's bad.
Give me a reason.
Because it sucks with cheese.
I thought you wanted the greatest.
Okay.
For adding cheese, I get the greatest.
Alright. Stir.
But I don't want.
Stir.
What?
Stir. You see that? Crust.
If you want
No,
to.
we all have to eat this, so.
2000's Nickelodeon show.
Okay. The fridge.
What? How long do I have
Wait,
to
we have to get a reaction. Hold on.
Okay.
How long am I doing it for?
I got fat. No.
Are we wrap?
No.
Am I doing this right?
No, I tried to do it earlier and he absolutely just threw it behind the stove.
Again. Which one?
This one! The steak!
Did you do it again?
I made it the first time.
No, you didn't.
Oh, there, look, there it is.
Get out of my kitchen, now. When you're basting it,
Can't find it.
you want the fire off.
Oh. I found the butter.
There you go. You got it. Okay.
I think these are a little stale. Thumbs up.
Leave it alone, though, you fuck it up. We're not cooking tacos.
Oh! I'm sensing a bit of anger coming from your area. Towards me, specifically. I think we should work on that.
What did he just say?
Ah! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Leave it alone. I don't need you.
Why?
Look at that.
I look like a goofball cutting this.
Yeah, you're actually not cutting it right.
Yep, yep.
Call the fire department. We just nuked the building.